In this video, we'll go over our custom email reports tool. Our email reports allow you to create emails tailored to your specific needs and have them be sent out on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. I'm on the main page here, and as you can see, I already have created a few email reports, and I'm even able to filter these reports by toggling on or off the different options on the left-hand side here. To create a new email report, I'm going to head to Create New up here. And then the first thing I can adjust is the frequency. So I want this to be sent out to my email every morning. So I'm going to select Daily here. And then to start adding the different modules, I'm going to head over to the module editor. We offer a few different types of modules focusing on performance, calendars, and then you can even add something like a chart or market commentary. I'm going to start by adding in a security list for stocks, and it will prompt me to either add a list that YCharts has created, or if I head to My Lists here, I can pull in one of my saved assets like a stock screener. So I'm going to go in and just add that. And then as you can see, it will give me kind of a preview of what I can expect this to look like. I can edit this module further by selecting the module again, and then the editor will open. Here I'm able to adjust the title, I can switch out the list, or I can even adjust the metrics by adding, removing, or rearranging them. I'm happy with how this looks, so I'm just going to move on and add another module by scrolling to the bottom, selecting New Module here, and then dragging and dropping the next one. I'm going to add another list. This time, this one will focus on economic indicators. And just like before, I'm going to pull in a saved asset, this time one of my watch lists. And then just scroll down, select Submit. Just like before, another preview will open. And I'm just going to finish off this email report by adding one of our calendars. So I'm going to add in our economic calendar. This will allow me to get notified on any events that are coming up. So I'm just going to focus on major US indicators here. And then lastly, I can add in a fundamental chart that is saved to my account. I'm going to go ahead, drag, drop, and then it will prompt me to open one of the charts. From here, the last step would be to select Save and then give this a name. If I want an idea of what this will look like, while we do have the examples here, if I select Preview up here, this will give me a preview of what the email report will actually look like in my email. So this is what I can expect to see in my email inbox. If you have any questions, please reach out to your designated account manager.